This is how the skid plate looks like. It's made out of aluminum, 4mm thick. It has a nice steel bar to fix the skid plate in front of the car. Here we have the bolts, all the bolts. The best part is that it protects the lower part of the front bumper all the way to the lower grille, and you will see how nice it fits in just a second. And I am patiently waiting to get my Duster out on the hills and test out its durability. So you can buy this skid plate from this website on the screen, or making an order to the telephone number written on the screen as well. So the skid plates installation is complete. It's very simple. All you have to do is remove the original one, and this one comes with all the screws, with a mounting bar. Everything is easy to install. This is how the skid plate looks like. Here we have a tiny space. That is good in my opinion, because if we hit the skid plate here, it won't reach the impact, won't reach the lower part of the front bumper. So yeah, everything seems to be in perfect order. Yes. So if we measure our ground clearance after installing this skid plate, you will see that we have lost 2 centimeters on its lowest part. This skid plate will reduce the overall Duster's ground clearance with 2 centimeters. If you want to order this nice skid plate, use the link in the video description. And until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.